Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the YouTube channel here. I want to show all of you this morning how I am transporting my car from St. Thomas to St. John. It is about 7:36 a.m. here, and I am at the port here in St. Thomas, the U.S. Virgin Island. And this is my car right here. This is the port entrance. These cars you're seeing here, they are coming from the ferry. And this ferry is coming from St. John right now. So all of these cars are coming back from St. John. But we are going to St. John. So this is the car. This is the port. And this is the ferry that's going to be taking us to St. John. It is about a little, like I say, I think after 7. And my ferry will be picking up at 9 a.m. We came a little early because this is my first time doing all of this. And I just want to make sure I have all of the right details and I'm here on time to get everything that we need to get before we get the car on the ferry. Now, why is it important for me or other people to ferry their cars over to St. John or vice versa from St. John to St. Thomas? Like I've said in my other videos, it is extremely expensive to get taxis across the islands or around the islands. So it is heavily recommended that you get a transportation, a rental car. So when you stay on one island and moving on to another island, it is also very much recommended that you ferry the car to the other island, as it is the cheapest way to get around. So as we are going around St. Thomas, we want to make sure that we have good transportation and that we are able to get to St. Thomas, get around St. Thomas freely and be able to see everything in St. Thomas. So this is the recommendation. Make sure when you are coming out here, first to get a rental car, and second, when you are visiting another island, that's, like us, we are staying in St. Thomas, but we are visiting St. John this morning. So when you are visiting another island, make sure you ferry your car over to that island. What is the cost to ferry your car over to another island? It costs us $87, almost $88 to get the car on the ferry. That's the cost for the ferry, to ferry your car over. You may think that's expensive, but think about it. For us staying in an Airbnb to even come to the ferry ground or to the port with a taxi, will have paid, I say, about $20 to come out here, and then $20 back from the port to our Airbnb. That's $40. Now you get to St. John and you need to get around, and God knows how much that's going to cost. It will cost a lot more to get around in St. John. So when you put all that cost together and where you have to even be waiting for taxis, it's going to cost a lot more than it would when you just when you just ferry your car over to the island. So it is still cheaper, $87 some change, plus $5 entrance fee to the port. When we got to the port, we had to pay $5 to get into the port. So that's about 90 some odd dollar now. and that's how much it's going to. I mean, it costs us to get our car over on a ferry to St. John. I will show you more, so just hang with us. This video is going to continue as I will show you when we get on the ferry, and of course when we make it to St. John. So just hang in with us. Thank you so much. Hold on for now. Thank you. Welcome back. So we are on the boat now, or the ferry. So we are in the car and we are on the ferry. Very soon we will be picking up, going towards St. John. So that's how the process looked like. We had to wait for about, I say, a little over an hour since we got here a bit early. But man, look at the view. The beautiful houses up the hill. This is still in St. Thomas. The ferry is loading up now. There is the ferry. So we will be staying in the car. I don't think we will be allowed to get out. But the good news is we have a window seat. So you will still get a portion of the beautiful ocean this morning while we are cruising over to St. John. So keep watching. The video continuing as we head towards St. John. So the boat is picking up now. We are now leaving St. Thomas and heading towards St. John. See how beautiful the water is. See how beautiful the boats on the water are this morning. This car is blending in with the water. It is nice. This feels so great. So like I said earlier, you cannot get out of your car, but I have a window view. I am so lucky to have a window view, and I'm able to see everything. It is about 25 minutes to 30 minutes ride from St. Thomas to St. John. So come along as I take you on this trip with us. This is how you transport your car from St. Thomas to St. John. And of course we will do the same coming by from St. John to St. Thomas this evening. Enjoy it. See, these cars are also coming from St. John, now headed back to St. Thomas. This is how we will be coming back this evening as well. (2026) Father and daughter getaway. This year we are celebrating birthday. We are celebrating my graduation, and it is also Father Day celebration. We came here just a day before Father's Day, so triple celebration this year, but most importantly us spending time together. Well, looks like we are here. The boat is slowing down. So yeah, it looks like we are in St. John. Yay! Well, folks, we made it to St. John. It took actually less than 30 minutes to get here. Far less than 30 minutes to get here, actually. So this is how we made it to St. John. Right in front of us now is St. John, the island of St. John. So these islands are very close to one another. Very, very close to one another. took us about maybe 20 some minutes to get here. I am looking forward to spending the whole day here, driving across the island of St. John. That's what I'm looking forward to. I hope you enjoy the ride with us from St. Thomas to Cruz Bay, St. John. That's exactly where we are right now. The bay is called Cruz Bay, here on the island of St. John, one of the largest islands here in the Virgin Islands. And of course, I will be showing you everything. We'll be showing you everything from this island. We will be cruising around from different points to different points. I have the entire day planned already, from when we land here to basically seeing everything that we need to see before we head back this evening. It is a one-day trip. We are heading back to St. Thomas this evening. So thank you for staying with us. I will end the video right here, as I am going to be preparing to get back into the front seat and heading out of the boat. Thank you, and thank you. Hopefully this helped you, especially if you are coming out here and planning on getting a rental car. This is how you will transport your car from one island to another. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.